This is Llyndy Farm. It's 600 acres, rising to the summit line behind us. And we're really keen to make sure that the enjoyment that people have today is continued, and we can only do that, we feel, by acquiring it and protecting it. We're right in the heart of the Snowdonia National Park here, and we protect 12 of the highest peaks in the National Park and some of the most beautiful landscape. So the owner, Ken, sees us as the obvious people to carry on the work that he started here.
We have been having boat races and skimming stones.
Well, I went fishing with my dad here, since there's a big one just near there and we caught it.
Mae'n fawr yn dda achos da chi'n cael gwneud lot o bethau fatha kayacio, nofio, canoeio. It's really nice, especially how the water moves.
Well, it's an amazing place to come for a picnic or for a Saturday afternoon stroll. I mean, the views are beautiful here, and it's a real type of place you can unwind and just forget about work on the weekend and, you know, just take in the peace and quiet and enjoy the beautiful scenery, basically. It's just a real downtime place.
We are asking you to give as generously as possible to the Llyndy Appeal so that not just the next generation but every generation can enjoy this wonderful place as much as we have. Thank you.